Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this EIGHTREE WLAN Wi-Fi smart socket with 5 GHz compatibility. That means you can use and pair it in your 5 GHz network, and you can use it with Alexa and SmartThings and so on. It's an EIGHTREE socket. It's a 2-pack. It's a really cool thing which can measure your power consumption. Schedule, remote access. It works with Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, 16 ampere, and we have a pack of 2 here. The energy consumption, the cost estimation is here. This way, Wi-Fi socket allows us to monitor the energy consumption of our devices and estimate our electricity costs. This feature helps us make informed decisions about the energy consumption and budget accordingly. And 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. This innovative 5 GHz WLAN socket is compatible with 99.99% of the routers available on the market. It offers a fast response time, low latency time, and improved stability compared to conventional 2.4 GHz sockets. This socket also supports a connectivity to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks at home, of course. And we have convenient data export. We stay informed about our energy consumption patterns easily. This Wi-Fi socket allows us to easily export detailed energy consumption status in PDF format, analyze trends, identify potential energy saving measurements, and makes informed decisions to further reduce our energy costs. And we have remote control. We enjoy the convenience of controlling our devices from anywhere with the Smart Life app, SmartLife. This is the app you have to use to pair this at the first time with a Wi-Fi socket. Whenever we are at home or on the go, we can easily turn on or off our devices from our phone. Really cool. And there's more. Voice control. Experience the ultimate comfort without hands with our Wi-Fi socket, which is compatible with popular voice assistants such as Alexa and Google Home. We control our device easily with our voice. Just say the words and let the Wi-Fi socket do the rest. And we have timers and channels. We simply our daily process and save energy by setting up personality schedule and times for our devices via the Wi-Fi socket. We automate the operation of our device so that they are turned on or off at a specific time that meet our needs. This here is the ET25. Material are PC and ABS. The rate voltage is AC 230 volt. The rate current 60 ampere. Maximum power 3680 watt. That's a lot. The AC frequency is 50 and 60 Hz. The working temperature is from minus 20 degrees up to 50 degrees Celsius. It supports Android and iOS. Wi-Fi standard is 2.4 and 5 GHz. We have security mechanism built in WPA, WPA2, and WPA3. Encryption type is WEP, TKIP, and AES. And we have a power button there. We press to turn on the socket on or off. We press and hold it for 5 seconds until the LED flash to initiate the app onboard process or a factory reset, the smart plug. Really cool. We download the Smart Life app from the App Store or Google Play Store. We open the Smart Life app and create a new account or log into our already account if we have one. We connect the smart plug to the power source. We choose one of the connection methods. That means we turn on the Bluetooth of our mobile phone and connect our phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then we can launch the Smart Life app. We push on add and we wait for a connection, 2 minutes for example. Or the other thing is we launch the Smart Life, we choose a dual plug and top blink quickly, and we enter the name of the password of the Wi-Fi network. We wait to connect it, job's done. And there is another thing. We choose dual band plug and tap the blink slowly. We enter the name of the password of Wi-Fi network and we are in that. So, if we like to use third-party control, Alexa, Google Home Assistant, and SmartThings, we make sure that we are connected to the plug Wi-Fi with the Smart Life app first. We launch the Smart Life app, and then we go to Me, third-party services, and then we can enable Alexa and so on with this easy-going EIGHTREE smart plug that. It's compatible with Google Alexa and it works with Amazon. It's compatible with Google Assistant and it works with Amazon Alexa. And of course with app. Wi-Fi connection, voice control, set your time as you like and have a good time with it. It's CE ROS certified and it comes to us in a pack of 2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.